Cleaning fish. We've got probably 60 to 75 fish we're trying to clean. I say we, but it's actually Jake is doing practically all the work. And so I'll show you him here in a minute. There they are. And then this is the camp. It's got a kind of a screened in porch, as you can see, and it's very nice. This is the vehicles parked out in front. There's Earl's wheels, which is really fancy. And then this is Vic's, and this is Jake's. I'm going to get over here and show you a close-up of these guys cleaning the fish.
Here now, let's go get a shot of this.
Okay.
Right through with the bags. You got four gallon bags of fillet right there. No, three fillet and one of scaled fish. And we're not through.
Jake, you're going to have hand cramps tonight, yeah?
Huh?
I say you're going to have hand cramps tonight.
Jake, you want me to set the burner up and all that? You going to fry them out here? Or you going to fry them next to the camp?
Fry them right here.
Okay. It's in the thing over there?
In the shed. Got the big burner. The big skillet's in the back of my, in my closet. We got a big skillet. We can do some serious frying. Like one time. Boy, I'm telling you. I'm glad that I saw you because I was getting ready to put a few
You gonna throw some fish at me?
adjectives out there that I didn't want to get caught in, you know, from this South Louisiana dialect we use. And we can't talk without trying to have a... Never mind.
Yeah, but somebody told me you're really from Boston. You just faked the dialect here for
I
Louisiana.
understand. Or if you're big, you just pucker up like a prune and walk off. I want my buddy to understand that now.
And you watch how they fillet these fish. They cut out the bones and everything, so you get nothing but meat when it's done. I'm going to show you here.
Just cutting that bottom fin out. Coming across here with the meat. Ain't nothing but skin there. We'll get the rib cage out. Come under the rib cage and say that little strip of meat. That is pure meat. Now, if you want to make a movie of this, you see this fish, just about an hour ago, this fish was swimming around minding his own business. Now, right now, this fish is in jeopardy of becoming hot grease and cornmeal and getting ready to become the main course in Vic Casio's Let's Eat Everything We See movie. We call nothing, we eat everything, leave no prisoners. That's my buddy Vic's philosophy. Take no prisoners, leave no prisoners. Eat everything.
Jake's been filleting fish for, what, 3 hours?
How long has it been?
2.5 hours.
At least that, yeah.
What time is it?
It's 10 after 6. We come out here about 3 o'clock.
About 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's okay. Boy, look at this man, a new man.
I feel brand new.
You're not pissed off at the guy no more, are you?
No,
That's
I
good.
forgave him.
You forgave him. It just all washed down the drain. That's what I'm talking about. I like that.
You know, I was tired and I was dirty and I was hot.
I'm glad. I'd go and shoot the son of a bitch. Right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
For forgive him hell. Even if he was in the right, they don't give him a chance to get forgiven.
Here's
I
a
left everything at the point. I gotta go get it.
You still not through?
Well, we still
We
get
got
the
about
fish.
half a dozen left.
I ain't slowing down.
I'm gonna try to go save some of this ice. Use it for whatever. Reuse some ice.
I can generate 6 bags of ice a day. We can go through it just a bag.
I made a bunch of ice today. I'm glad I
That's
did.
what I'm saying. Yeah, I can generate 6 bags of ice.
I'm gonna clean this off. Use
Drain
that ice.
the water and let it.
I think I'm gonna change the oil in this water right here.
Probably.
This is Vic's boat and Jake's boat. I'm gonna zoom in on these things and see what they're like. They got big engines and they go about 60, 70 miles an hour. There's a seat up in front where you can sit there, and then there's also one in the back on the back deck. I've been staying in the one on the back deck and it's been just fine. You know, we've got a lot of fish. Okay, so I guess that's about it for now. Accommodations in the fishing camp. I'll show you, see all the rods there, and they've got probably twice as many as that in each boat. And he's stocked with every conceivable lure and